Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nindya Gitayasu and I'm from SMP Negeri 2 Nusa Ungu. Today I would like to share with you about a short speech with a theme Sign with English. First of all, let us thanks to God for giving us a help and a change together here. Dear friend, we live in a world that is more connected than ever. People in this world can talk, work, and learn together. And what language do they use most of the time? Yes, English. English is not just a school subject, it is a key to the world. Because use English, we can travel more easily, make a friend with people from another country, reading international book, or watching some global news. And I have some experience about English. That is, my hobby is reading some novel. But I often feel trouble because many novel that I wanna read is from another country and that's use international language. And I also like to watch some podcasts. Usually, I watch some podcasts delivered by Raditya Dika. You know guys, who is Raditya Dika? He is a podcaster that's telling about a funny story. Sometimes also he tell about challenge of our life and give motivations. When I watch that podcast, I get some motivations. That is, when we learn English, we can open some kind of barrier that can make ourselves look other side of the world. And we also can see the knowledge and the opportunities. After I know about that motivations, I directly asked my mother for entering me in some English course. When I entered that English course, I study English so hard and I have to memorize many vocabulary and practice every day. I feel trouble, but along with time, I can handle it and I can be a person who can speak English like now. Sign with English means you can become better and brighter with learning English. You can sign in school, in competitions, or in the future when we work, because English gives us more opportunities and change. Now, you may ask, how can I sign with English? I'll give you a simple tips. The first tip is you can practice every day. Even that a little, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Because mistakes help you to learn. And the second, you can listen some English song or watch some English movie. I also like to listen some music guys. I'll give you a example of the lyric. We were both young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes and the flashback stars are standing there. In a balcony in summer air. See the lights, see the party, the walkway. See you make the way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know. That song is from Taylor Swift and the title is Love Story, telling about love story from Romeo and Juliet. After I like to listen song of English that I directly can speak English. Not directly, but my English is become better. My pronunciation and my vocabulary skill is increased. And the third tip is you can read some international book or comic and novel. Start from the easy one. And the fourth tip is you can practice with your friend. That a simple tips. You can do that every day, everywhere, and every time. You can start with telling your daily activities with English language. Remember guys, studying English is a process. It takes time, but if we keep practicing every day, we will become better and better. So friend, don't be shy. Let's be brave. Let's enjoy learning English. Let's grow together and let's shine together. I think enough for me. That's all my speech. What I have delivered useful in our life and hereafter. If you found many mistakes in my speech, I hope you can forgive me. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.